is it okay to give someone a crystal as a gift? So here's my personal opinion about that. And again, you may totally disagree. I think setting an intention is nice. I think it's a kind thing to do if you're giving a gift. But I also think you kind of have to clue that person into what that intention was. So for example, if you see a friend who's having a hard time and you want to help them by, giving them a stone that will help bring more love into their life, and you have a rose quartz and you set a little intention just for more love, and you pass that little crystal along to them with love and tell them, I was just feeling like you needed a little bit more love energy and I wanted to gift you with this stone. I think that that's really sweet. And if the person knows what the intention was, they'll consciously or subconsciously determine whether or not that's something they want right now. And if it is, they'll only add to that intention, which is really beautiful. And if it isn't, they'll kind of have their own intention for what it should be used for. And that will kind of, once you give that to them, it kind of becomes their stone and we'll start to work with them. And then your intention might go out the window if it's not aligned with what they want from the crystal or need from the crystal. I mean, that's the other thing. Maybe they think, oh, that would be nice. That's what I want. But again, because it's not a program, an intention's more like a suggestion to the crystal, and a program's more like direct orders. So I think that by putting an intention, it's nice, and just knowing that ultimately the crystal will work with them in the way that it's supposed to, and just having trust in that is perfect. So I hope that that helps and makes sense.